Hey Survival Reviews, today we're unboxing something serious. Something engineered to carry the weight of responsibility. Literally. The amazing team over at Core Essentials just sent me their black buffalo leather gun belt, and I haven't even opened the box yet. Comes with a sizing instruction manual, a gear guide, looks like some buckle screws, and an Allen wrench. Look at this beautiful buckle. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is beautiful. Wow. That is amazing. I love that. I can tell you just from holding the buckle, this thing is built like a tank. That is amazing. Look how thick that is. Look how thick the steel is. No flaws, no rough edges. Everything is machined perfectly. Amazing. Let's take a look at the belt. This isn't your average department store belt. This is 1.5 inches of rugged buffalo hide, reinforced with a powercore center, and built to hold up to 6 pounds of gear. Inside the waistband, outside the waistband, or appendix carry. And let me tell you, this thing is built like a tank. Look at that grain. This is a beautiful belt. That is top grain buffalo leather. Raw, untamed, and intentionally uncoated. It's going to get greasier, shinier, more scarred, and more beautiful the more you wear it. Scratches, rub them out with your fingers. That's not damage, that's character. Thick, solid, 5 millimeters of rugged material designed for battle, not brunch. This isn't a fashion piece. It's a workhorse. And yet it looks this good. Over 40 micro adjustments are available with their patented ratcheting locking system that's built directly into the belt, all a 1/4 inch at a time, because one size fits most, not good enough. This thing dials in like a precision instrument. I'm not strapping it on today yet, but trust me, I'll be testing it, wearing it, loading it up, and giving you the real review in just a few days. So make sure you're subscribed and following, because I'm going to push this belt to the edge. Core Essentials, built for the load, worn with purpose. Full review coming soon. This is just the beginning.